How to turn off sensitive content for Twitter or X on your Android or iPhone. So, firstly, what you have to do is leave your Twitter because they don't give us the option on Twitter. So, what you have to do is open your Safari or any browser you have. So, now from here, what you have to do is go on twitter.com, right? And once you go over here, what you have to do is click on the little icon. So, your name on top, just click on that. And once you click on that, what you have to do is click on setting and privacy. Then once you click on that, what you have to do is click on privacy and safety. Now from here, what you have to do is click on content you see. Now from here, what you have to do is just turn that back on. Just go back to your page. You're just gonna refresh. Now from here, just click on this. Just close all out. Go back on Twitter. Now you're just gonna have to refresh everything. Boom. Now just close the app. And that's how you turn off sensitive content for Twitter or X on iPhone and Android.